welcome back to our YouTube channel, Sparkles. Today we are going to celebrate our parents' wedding anniversary. So on this occasion, I will be showing you how to make handmade card and Oreo cake. So let's get started. To make handmade card, we will need 2 drawing sheets, a thick colored sheet, pencil, compass, scale, puncher, scissor, fabric. To cut 9 centimeter circle, first we'll measure 9 centimeter from the scale. I have drawn 9 centimeter circle. Now I will cut this 9 centimeter circle. I have cut 9 centimeter circle. Now I am going to punch all the sides of this circle. I have punched all the sides of this circle. Now I am going to draw like this. After cutting the pattern, it will look like this. Now take colorful sheet and draw 7 centimeter circle. I have cut 7 centimeter circle. Now I am going to paste this circle on this white color circle. I have pasted this circle. Now take one more sheet, fold it. Make sure that you cut the circle according to the pattern. After cutting and pasting, the card will look like this from inside. Now take 7 to 8 square shape paper to make flowers. Give it a shape. Make a deep cut from one side. Put it inside. Good. It will look like this. Look, I have made all the flowers. Now I will paste these flowers on this card. After pasting all the flowers, the card will look like this. Now I am going to cut leaf. I have cut these leaves. Now I am going to paste these leaves on the card. For more details, I have decorated all the flowers with blue color circles. Our card is ready. Now I am going to make Oreo cake just from 4 ingredients. Let's see what are those
Oreo
ingredients.
cake, we need Oreo biscuit, milk, baking powder and chocolate syrup. Now I have grinded Oreo biscuits. Now I will add milk in this mixture. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now grease some butter in it. And sprinkle some nata. Now I will tap it to remove air bubbles. I have already preheated the tawa. Turn it into low flame. Put this mixture on the tawa. Put lid and cover it with cloth. Now add warm milk in the Oreo cream and mix it. Now to check whether our cake is ready or not, dip toothpick. If it's come out clean, that means our cake is ready. Look, our cake is ready. Now I am going to spread Oreo cream cover it. After spreading Oreo cream, I will spread chocolate syrup. You can decorate your cake with dry fruits. And you can even sprinkle white chocolate. And even dry fruits. So your Oreo cake is ready. We hope that you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe
our channel to Sparkles. Goodbye. Mwah.